Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a tour of the Oasis Plaza in Spanish Town. Now this plaza is very unique. It's located across from the bus park in Spanish Town. It has KFC, as you can see there, major draw. It has a juicy patties, and it has two out of three things you need for a successful plaza in Jamaica. But it used to have the third. You need three things for a successful plaza. You need one, fast food stores, and with KFC and juicy patties you have that covered. They also have other food places in here, but those two are the main draw, and they're located at the front of the plaza. Then you need to build it in a populated area, and Spanish Town is very populated. And the third thing you need is a supermarket, a brand name large supermarket. Now this plaza used to have Super Plus, and Super Plus was once the largest supermarket chain in Jamaica. But they closed down and no other supermarket came here. Now you can see the plaza is busy. So can you imagine if it had the supermarket? It might be the top plaza in Spanish Town. And that says a lot because Spanish Town is a very busy place with a lot of plazas. I'm not sure why nobody took over the supermarket store, because a few locations were grabbed up quickly by other supermarket chains. But this one in Angels, and when I say when Super Plus closed down, they had quite a few locations that they had supermarkets at. For instance, Super Plus in Ligani is now Hilo Ligani, and a few other locations were taken over by other supermarkets. But this one wasn't taken over by, and right there, straight ahead on the right, where you see that, what is it? That colored sign, Century HS, that's where the supermarket used to be. This location was not taken over by another supermarket. They had one down by Pavilion, which was also taken over by Hilo. The one in New Kingston was taken over by a bank. It's now a data center. They had a location in Clock Tower, which was taken over by Brooklyn Supermarket. The one in Pavilion was taken over by Hilo. But this one at Oasis turned into a closed store. It was empty for a long time. The location at Portmore Pines is now a call center, and the location at Angels was not taken over. It's actually empty now, and that plaza is doing, I wouldn't say, yes, terrible. But so you can see how busy this plaza is, but it has the potential, if they had a supermarket in here, to do so much better. And there you can see the Court store. We're going to start giving you some walking tours of these plazas and inside the stores, so that you can see what's going on in them. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Let us know what you think about this plaza, and why you think no other supermarket chain took over some of these locations. Alright guys, have a good day.